What we have here is a vertical wall meeting a roof plane coming in. So in this, you have what's called step flashing that creates the watertight seal between this vertical wall and then the roof itself. When this roof was originally installed, it would have been the first roof system. So when they built the house, so you can see how they had this galvanized flashing in here. This is the old flashing from the old roof system. And you can see how it basically makes this turn around this 90-degree bend right here. And the reason is because of this corner piece right here. This is what holds up most people from doing it. You've got this corner piece of siding, and then all of your siding runs into that outside corner right there, and it's all locked in and nailed behind that. To get a new flashing detail in there to turn this corner, you've got to get this piece out of your way. And you do risk breaking this siding on one side or the other. So it can be a hassle, and most guys are just going to skip it. But what that is going to do is it literally has this entire wall, the integrity, the waterproofing of that is all reliant upon this caulking right here, which will keep the water out for 5, maybe 7 years. But at that 5 to 7 year mark, it's going to start leaking. It's going to be a slow progressing leak that is going to be occurring in an area where you have a lot of structural framing components within the house. A lot of wood to soak up a lot of water before you notice what's going on inside. Once you notice it, it's an enormous problem. At SlopePro, we warrant all of our roofs for the expected service life of the material that we're installing. And so for this roof, it's a 50-year warranty. We cannot cut corners like this. We will not cut corners like this because it will not be what we've sold to you. We're gonna get this right. First step is to pull the siding out to get into this corner piece. One of the easiest ways to do that is with a hook blade knife. Try to get in here and get this bottom piece out. It's a little bit warm out here, so it is a little pliable. There is a pretty high chance that this breaks in the process. We'll see if we get lucky. There we go. That's all it was. Now that I've gotten this corner piece out, I'll take this piece out of my way. I'm gonna take the nail here out of my J channel, and then this whole corner piece is gonna pull away from that wall and allow me to flash it. So we're gonna cut away, let me do some of the dirty work, and then once we get this corner around, I'll show you how that goes.